Now continuing with the introduction to C language. The next is the string constant. So what is a string? A sequence of characters enclosed within a pair of double quotes is called a string constant. It is always ends with a null denoted by \0. For example, double quotes 9, double quotes \n, double quotes Manjunath, double quotes which is without any characters, which becomes an empty string. Then we have the range of integers. One is the unsigned integer and the other one is the signed integer. So range of unsigned integers are the decimal number which is represented in binary system using only 3 bits. So that means the binary and decimal 000 is the decimal number is 0, which is denoted, which is a minimum number. 001 becomes the decimal. In decimal it becomes 1. 010 it becomes 2. 011 becomes 3. 100 becomes 4. 101 becomes 5. 110 becomes 6, and 111 will going to become 7, which is the maximum number. Then we have the 3-bit unsigned number ranges, which is 0 to 7, which is 0 to 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, minus 1 becomes 7, so 0 to 7. Similarly, 4-bit unsigned number ranges from 0 to 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. 2 to the power of 4 becomes 16, minus 1 becomes 15, so 0 to 15. Similarly, 8-bit unsigned number ranges from 2 to the power of 8 minus 1, that is 0 to 127. 16-bit unsigned number ranges from 0 to 2 to the power of 16 minus 1, that is 0 to 65535. And 32-bit unsigned number ranges from 0 to 2 to the power of 32 minus 1, that is 0 to 429, 496, 672, 95. And in general, if you are considering, if it is an n-bit unsigned range, then it will be from 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1. So positive numbers using 3-bit. The signed positive numbers are stored in binary number system using 3 bits as shown below. So what is that? If a binary and a decimal number, if you are considering 000 plus 0, which is the minimum number, 001 becomes plus 1, 010 becomes plus 2, 011 becomes plus 3, which is the maximum range number. So sign bit 0 represents it is a positive integer which ranges from plus 0 to plus 3. Then negative number using 3-bit. If sign bit is 1, then the number is negative. All negative numbers are stored only in 2's complements. To get the decimal equivalent, take 2's complements of 2's complement number and prefix is the minus sign. If you are considering given 2's complement 100, 1 means it is 0, 1's complement is 0. Then 0 means 1 plus 1 complement. So when you add this, 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carries 1. Again 1 plus 1 becomes 0, which carries 1. 1 plus 0 becomes 1, so 100 is the number. So since it is 100, it is a 4 decimal. So prefix is a negative sign, so it will be minus 4. Similarly, if you are considering 101, so that means 010 plus 1. Again, when you are adding, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1 is 1 and 0 is 0. 011, it becomes 3. Since it is a 1 bit, it is minus 3. 011, it is a 3 decimal and it is minus 3 because 1 is the prefix number. 110, so 001. So 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 0 plus 1 carries 1, 1 plus 0 becomes 1 and 0. So here 0, 1, 0 is nothing but the decimal number is 2, so it becomes minus 2. And 111, if you are considering 0, 0, 0 plus 1's complement is 1, so 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 0, 0, so decimal number is 1, so it becomes minus 1. In the sign bit, 1 represents negative integer range from minus 4 to minus 1. So if you are considering 3-bit range minus 4 to plus 3, minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 to 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 1. So 4-bit range minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 to 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 minus 1. So similarly with 8-bit the range, then 16-bit range, which you have minus 2 to the power of 16 minus 1 to 2 to the power of 16 minus 1 minus 1. So that means minus 32,768 to 32,767. Similarly, if it is a 32-bit range, minus 2 to the power of 32 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power of 32 minus 1, then minus 1. In general, for n-bit number, range is minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 to 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. Then we have the basic primitive simple data types. It defines the type of data stored in memory location. It determines how much memory should be allocated for a variable. And also the various types of data such as integer constant, floating point constant, character constant, etc. can be stored in memory during execution of a program. So there are two types of data types. One is primitive and the other one is derived. In the primitive data types, it can be manipulated by machine instructions are called primitive data types like int, char, float, double. So what is an int? Integer. A size of int can be 2 or 4 or 8 bytes, the number without a decimal point. C supports 3 different sizes of integer data type, namely short int, int and long int. Short and long are called the type qualifiers. To know the size of any data type, we use the operator size of, which is size of short int less than or equal to size of int less than or equal to size of long int. So if it is an n-bit machine, if it is type and size, short int 2 bytes, if it is a range is from int of 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1, so 2 to the power of 16 minus 1 minus 2 to the power of 15 plus 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Then if it is int of 2 bytes, 0 to 2 to the power of 16 minus 1, which ranges from 0 to 65535, the range of signed int will be minus 2 to the power of 15 to plus 2 to the power of 15 minus 1 within this range, which is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. And in the long int 4 bytes, if it is 2 to the power of range of unsigned int, which will be 0 to 2 to the power of 32 minus 1, it ranges from 0 to 429, 496, 7295. 2. Range of signed int, which is minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. So that is minus 2 to the power of 31 to plus 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So it will be in this range minus 214, 748, 364, 82 plus 214, 748, 3647. So the advantage is integer constants are exact quantities. They are used for counting and indexing. The disadvantage is higher range numbers cannot be represented. Numbers with fractional part cannot be represented and stored. Similarly, we have a floating point number. The programmer can inform the compiler that the data associated with this keyword should be treated as a floating point number. If it is a 16-bit machine, the size of float is 4 bytes. So range of float is 3.4 e to the power of minus 38 to 3.4 e to the power of 38. If it is a 32-bit machine, the size of float is 8 bytes and 1.7 e minus 308 to 1.7 e plus 308. So advantage is numbers with fractional part or decimal points can be stored, but higher precision and range when compared to integers. These are the advantages. But disadvantage is they are not exact quantities. They are not used for counting and indexing, and it is occupying more than 4 bytes cannot be represented. The precision of more than 6 digits after the decimal point is not possible in this floating point number. So of course these are all only the theoretical parts of this. Then we have a double use of define long floating point numbers. The programmer can inform the compiler that the data associated with this keyword should be treated as the long floating point number, wherein you have 16-bit machine, you have 8 bytes. The range is 1.7 e minus 308 to 1.7 e 308. If it is a 32-bit, it is 16 bytes, 3.4 e minus 4932 to 1.1 e 4932. Advantage is higher precision and range when compared to the floating point numbers. Char is a character, which is a single character or a sequence of characters, which is also called as the string. The programmer can inform the compiler that the data associated with this keyword should be treated as a character string. So either it can be 16 or 32-bit. The size of char will be 1 byte, and then range of unsigned 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1 will be 2 to the power of 8 minus 1. The range is 0 to 2, 855. Range of signed char minus 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1, which will be minus 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. The range is minus 128 to 127 plus. So this is how, these are the things which are going to be completed in the introduction to C program, and then the continuation, the void will going to be considered in our next video. Thank you.